So Mary was going to have a baby. The angel Gabriel had been and told her the wonderful news. There was just one thing. You see, Mary was due to get married to a chap called Joseph, and no one had told him yet. Do you know what? I cannot wait for this wedding. It's going to be the best day ever. Oh, the trouble is I've got so much work to do beforehand. I don't know if I'm ever going to be ready. Oh well.
Joseph?
Oh. Hello, Mary.
Joseph, I've got something really important to tell you.
You want to cancel the wedding?
No.
Oh. A camel sat on the wedding cake?
No.
Oh, phew. The world's going to end in 3 days.
No.
Oh. What is it then?
I'm going to have a baby.
What?
I'm going to have a baby.
What?
I'm going to have a baby.
What? How?
An angel came and told me. It's going to be God's son.
Oh, good one. You really had me going then.
Well, no, it's the truth.
Really?
Yes. Well, that went well.